Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the case and SIM tray, then power off and back on to clear simple mechanical pressure. Do this because sticky cases often mimic button failure. Once restarted, enter safe mode to isolate third-party apps that can hijack volume controls. While in safe mode, open settings right arrow sound and vibration and move each slider slowly so you can see if software responds. If any slider reacts, you know the hardware likely works and an app or profile is the cause. Once you confirm software is a suspect or hardware seems inconsistent, run the phone's hardware diagnostics or dial the Redmi test code to check volume key status. If diagnostics show intermittent contact, inspect the button area for lint or corrosion. Press firmly and use compressed air to blow out debris because grime often prevents contact. Make sure MIUI and all apps are up to date. Then clear cache for sound and system UI to remove corrupted settings that could ignore key. If diagnostics and cleaning don't fix it, plan a hardware repair. Replace the volume flex cable or the button module because those parts wear out from use. Before opening or sending for service, back up your data and try a factory reset as a final software attempt. Make sure to test volume response immediately after reset. If the problem persists, contact authorized service and provide your diagnostic steps and results so technicians can reproduce the issue quickly. This saves time and prevents unnecessary part swaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.